Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger, and this one we're gonna go over the rest of my Supreme Fall Winter 21 pickups. It's kind of like a 2-video mashup because I got another unboxing that never made it, and I said fuck it, might as well put it in this one. I got 2 pairs of Yeezys that I hit on, and that's it, bro. But if y'all doing up enjoying this one, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. I've been going hard, bro. Click the link at the top of the description to enter in this giveaway right here. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel and follow Nori.archives on Instagram, and I'm gonna be picking a winner really soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And hey, let's get into this video. So we're gonna start with the real-time unboxing, then after these items we'll hop into the back to the past unboxing, and then we'll get straight up out of here. But the first pickup is this fleece right here. My girl picked this up, and they dropped these, and they also dropped the hoodie version. I believe she wanted a different color but ended up with the navy, and honestly this isn't even that bad. I think it's sick. Size medium. So yeah, this is how the medium looks on me. I think it's not that bad. Honestly, this is a clean sweater. Feels mad cozy, and she's been freaking it. It looks like a durable sweater, you feel me? Got a big pocket with zips on both sides. Then you got that Supreme box logo right there. I think it's a solid pickup, especially for the winter. Come on, cannot go wrong. Second up, we got a piece that I picked up a couple weeks ago at this point, and it's in here. So let's go ahead and pull this out. You got 2 regular box logos, and we got the balaclava. This one's actually fire. I ended up getting it in the navy. Let me know your opinions on this. I like the fact that you can roll it up if you don't want to use it. I think this is so sick. Honestly, I'm gonna be keeping this because I could probably use it nowadays. It does have the little tags on the inside. I think it's a sick balaclava. Has that big ass box logo dead in center on the front right there, and low-key you could use these as a mask. These came in like 6-7 colors, something like that. The cool thing about balaclavas is that you can roll them up if you don't want to use it, but you can fix it better. I think these are hard. Honestly, I might get into the game a little bit more. I honestly wanted the green, the pink. There was a couple other colors that I thought were hard before this, but I would rather have this than black because I feel like it just meshes better together. Hey, I don't know. In this box, there's probably one of the most hype beast sneakers. Is it even a sneaker? The Foam Runner Ochre colorway. I did hit on these for retail, and I'm excited to put these on feet. I'm gonna have a dedicated video for these on how to style them. Feel me? How I'm gonna try to style them at least. It's almost like a peanut butter color. This is a polarizing ass sneaker. It's almost like a do you love it or do you hate it? And I think honestly I'm gonna give it a shot and I'm gonna see what's up. I don't know yet. They look weird as fuck from like this point of view. Like I don't know how to explain it. They look big as fuck, but I'm gonna try it, bro. A lot of people are saying this is the most comfortable sneaker or clog, and I want to try it firsthand, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna do like a wear test on these, how to style type shit. 1 out of 10, what do y'all rate these? Honest opinions, dead ass, down below, let me know. I believe this is my most recent package in this unboxing. Did get some special stickers, so I'm excited about that. I'm not gonna lie, it's been a minute. I can't make this shit up. They literally gave me 1 sticker and then 2 regular BOGOs. Leave these out on specialty weeks. At least just give me 2 special stickers, bro. But we did get the lady pink tee in this heather gray color. Honestly, I really love this tee, and I feel like it's one of the ones that I'm gonna keep in my collection. I decided to go for this one in an XL, and I kind of regret it. I'm not gonna lie, this shit is looking big as again. This is a beautiful shirt nonetheless. You got that Supreme box logo at the bottom. This heather gray was my 2nd or 3rd favorite color. There was the brown pink that was beautiful, and a couple other preferences before this one. Honestly, I'm glad I just got this tee. I didn't OD and buy hella pieces. Yeah, man, this tee is so hard. Let me know what you guys think about this one. It is long because it's an XL, so I kind of messed up on that point. Hopefully I could shrink this or something, but it is beautiful. Let me know what y'all think about the lady pink tee. Was this one of your favorite tees, or what were your favorite tees from Tee Week? So this was the last Supreme pickup in real time. There's some more in the past that we'll get into. This time we got another blessing, and it's from Adidas with the 350 V2 Belugas for retail. Yes sir, shout out to Adidas. Honestly, this is the last color that I would buy, and I would not pay resale for it. Hopefully more W's to come. I honestly don't know if I want to keep these. I like them, but I want to try the 450s, so I might sacrifice these for those. This is the only 350 I have without the little pull tab on the back. I must say they do look nicer in person, and I don't really have any orange sneakers, so I'm debating on keeping these. They have that reflective to it as well when you hit it with the flash. It's nothing too aggressive or nothing like that, but it is nice. Let me know what y'all think about these. Honestly, don't know if I'm gonna keep them. I do want the 450s, but those aren't even that expensive, so I might just buy those regardless. I think these are a clean pair of 350s. If I decide to keep these, this definitely will be the last 350 in my collection. If I buy another one, it has to be something different. Like, I don't know, bruh. Honestly, I'm debating on selling some of the ones I own, but I don't know yet. We got these Belugas right here. Definitely a clean Yeezy, the first 350 V2 colorway that ever released. These did drop from $1,000 to around $350 once he did the restock on these. I'm assuming there's hella pairs because they definitely flopped. Maybe people just tired of these shits, or they're dropping every color that ever existed before. Yeezy 350 V2 Belugas was the last sneaker. No special stickers. Was hoping at least a little Tiffany sticker. Nothing, not one thing, bro. But it's okay, you feel me? At the end of the day, we cooked up on this here fitted. I actually got this one in a 7 3/8. I've been getting hats in like different sizes, low-key. Let me take it out the bag for y'all. This is called the Undisputed box logo fitted. I got it in the forest green color. As you can see, the tag right there is a 7 3/8. I'm obviously gonna take all that shit off. I really just was excited for this green colored fitted, and I love the way that the stars are on the brim. It just gives it like that flavor, bro. Like, this shit is hard. Love this fitted. It's almost like the Oakland colorway, if that makes sense. You have the stars on the brim, and then you got that big BOGO on the front. On the back of this one, it says "Count the Rings, world famous" under it. Definitely a solid ass hat coming from Supreme. 28-time world champions on there. Next, we got the package from the homies over at Borough 5. First, we got this right here. The box logo has that mosaic tile that you basically see at the train stations in New York. Come on, y'all already know the vibe. NYC, like, y'all know what's up. Borough 5, yo. They're gonna be linked at the top of the description. Straight heat. Let me know what y'all think about this one. This one go crazy. Like, I'm wearing this shit for the rest of the video. Bro, come on. This shit is hot. This color is fire. Let me know what y'all think about this one. I think this shit is hard, bro. Gives me like comic vibes, and I love the yellow tone on this. We got this reflective logo. It's almost like a silver, almost like you drew it with the deco color markers, if y'all know what I'm talking about. That's like OG graffiti days. I love that shit, but this is actually hard, especially with those black and silver Jordan 1s. Then the last piece is the hoodie we got. Ooh, this shit thick. Pause. My bad, my fault. This shit, yo, the quality on this shit is hard, bro. Actually really thick material, and it has that smooth cursive logo on there. This is a banger. I'm about to put this shit on too, bro. Yo, come on. Fit on this shit is crazy. It's a solid ass hoodie, bro. I'm gonna be wearing this a lot. The black with the orange, come on, dude. Black and orange is just hard. It's hard, bro. Great ass materials. You know this shit gonna last you. Last up, we got the banger for this video. This is the Supreme CDG pickup. I've literally been waiting to open this shit for the video. This shit gotta be hard, bro. Ooh. First thing I seen was that right there. Come on. Yes, sir. Yo, Supreme been on me all season. No special stickers, barely, like, at all. Right here, we got the CDG hoodie in the black color. This shit is hard, bro. Take this out. I don't think I'll ever be selling this. Come on. Everyday piece. Talk about an everyday piece. Special tag. Come on, brother. Hard body. That Supreme box logo with the Junya Watanabe under it. CDG pretty much hard. That's so subtle, but it's so sick. These are made in Portugal. Supreme CDG branding. Behind it, you have that extra large, as you can see right there. Definitely a better, more premium material than the regular Supreme hoodies. I feel like this just feels and looks better. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Just by looking at the cuts and the way that it looks, I can tell that it's just an overall better hoodie. Is it even a question, bro? This shit is fire. I don't know if y'all like this shit as much as I do, but I feel like the subtleness of it and just the look in general is so fire. This is a size XL. I feel like I could have went with a large and it still would have been loose on me, but I feel like this leaves room for shrinking it, you feel me? And I do like the oversized in general, so I think it's solid. Let me know what y'all thought about these hoodies. It came in 4 different colorways. Personally, this was my favorite just because because it's wearable. It has the branding, but it's not everywhere or bright. Like normally Supreme does red right in the center. This is black and blue, which is already dull, and then it's off to the side, like at the bottom type shit, and it's still a box logo. Like, don't get it twisted, it's a BOGO, and it's CDG. I think this shit is so fire. Let me know what y'all thought about these. Honestly, these aren't even going for that much. I think they're like $240 right now on StockX, and that's not even that bad, to be honest. Maybe it's just me. I still do feel like I got hella hoodies and I'm trying to get rid of some. That's something we'll talk about in a further video. But yeah, man, that pretty much does it for this video. If y'all did end up enjoying, go ahead and leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And don't forget to click them links in the description. There's a giveaway going on. Burrow 5, bro, this is a loaded video with a lot of different stuff on it. So make sure you go ahead and show some love down below. Leave a like on this video because it definitely took a lot of work to make. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.